Hi, and welcome to Phin. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to create an onboarding campaign with Phin. And so onboarding campaigns are a really great tool that you can use to send any courses to new users immediately to get them essentially onboarded into any content that you want. So it might be useful if you want to send new users like HIPAA or GDPR courses to get them caught up on that, or things like password methods, device security, things like that. So any course you want, you can send to new users immediately once they join via an onboarding campaign. And so to set that up, I'll go ahead and walk you through that. You can select under training on the left-hand menu, select campaigns, and then create a new campaign and select onboarding as the type of campaign. And then from there, you can select the audience that will receive this onboarding campaign once they join. And then from there, you can select the specific training modules to include. And for this example, I've selected HIPAA and password methods. You can see that there. And then once you click launch, you are all done. And thank you so much for watching.